of what really happened between a Tampa Middle School principal and a student.
Investigators released the 911 call from the student accusing Mike Hoskinson of grabbing him by the neck. News Channel 8's Avery Cotton is live at Coleman Middle School. So, Avery, a lot of people are coming out defending the principal.
Good morning, Gail. You know, a lot of them say that a police investigation into this is just overkill. But before I go more into that, listen to part of the 911 call made by the student who made these allegations.
Mike Hoskinson, the one that was like in jail for whatever time for apparently abusing his kid.
Okay, you're saying the principal of your school choked you?
He grabbed my neck and he like grabbed my waist and everything, and then he threw me in the bush, and I don't know what to do.
Students who saw this happen told investigators that there was a verbal exchange between the principal, another person not involved with the school, and this student before the alleged attack happened. Students and parents go on to tell us that the kid is problematic in the school, and they believe a police investigation is just not needed, that Hoskinson was only doing his job.
He's really nice. He's like overall is a really good person. Like he just is really sweet, man. He's always like talking to us and like treating us like his own kids.
And as this investigation continues, we are told that Hoskinson is not working at this school. He's actually working off campus at a non-school site. Gail?
All right.